everybody, so welcome to my channel Unlock Source, and today I'm gonna show you how can you create free Apple ID without credit card. So let's do this without wasting any time. So just click on sign in your iPhone Apple ID. So click on don't have an Apple ID, forward it. So here's three options. Just click on first create Apple ID. So just select your birth date here. I will just select. So enter your name here, like what's your name. Just click on next. Just if you have Gmail or Yahoo email, you can create you can click on use your current email address. If you don't have, just click on get a free iCloud email address. Just enter here Unlock Source and click on next button. So click on continue button here. So enter your password here. So just click on next button here. So here's the phone number. Just enter your phone number here. So guys, as you can see, just after the number, just click on agree button here. And just wait for creating Apple ID. So guys, just enter your password here you use on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to merge, just click on merge. Just click on don't merge. So guys, here's the Apple ID created. So guys, you can add it. And so guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more videos about Apple product.